Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another
Happy Mukbang Monday!
Yes, guys, welcome to another Mukbang Monday. And also welcome to day 2 of Bloveslife challenge of giving my first hour of the day to reading. And again, the book is Everything You Need by David Jeremiah. And I read chapter 2 today. I'm going to read it again tonight. And in chapter 2, it talks about diligence. It talks about what I was telling you guys how he tell you about different stories to help you get better with it and help you understand a lot of the different things. And I don't want people to come on here and think that, okay, she thinks she's almighty because she's now reading. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. All I'm saying is I thank Beloved for creating this challenge, because if it wasn't for her, like I said, I don't know the last time I picked up a Bible. I still believe, I still do the things, but everybody sin. I ask for forgiveness, and I think I'm a good person. I try to do the right things. I have a good heart. And in chapter 2, it teaches you how they tell you a story about a ventriloquist. I think that's what it is. The person that do the talking with the puppet. Well, he practiced 30 years with this puppet, and he finally mastered it. He won American Idol, and it took him 30 years. So it talks to you about how long your walk is with Christ. Now, you never stop learning. You're always going to learn something about yourself. You're always going to work on yourself, and you have to work on yourself. And that's what chapter 2 is telling you about. Chapter 2 is talking to you about diligence and telling you about how you never want to stop working on yourself. And everything takes time. Nothing happens overnight. So today I'm going to get more into the book, and I'm also going to put up some pages for you guys. Today we have Big Tony's, and this is completely wrong. This is not what I ordered. This is, I don't know what this is. It's some kind of Philly. I wanted it has the shrimp, as you guys can see, and it has I'm dropping my food. It was supposed to have the steak, the shrimp, and the chicken, but this just has the shrimp and the steak. But I had this one before, and it was pretty good. This one, I wanted to take a bite before I make that quote. This one is a little dry. It looked like it, but I wasn't sure. So you guys, Mukbang Monday was created by social couplepreneur Alex and Melissa. Their link is going to be in the description box below. They're good people. They're very loyal. I love them. And today I want to challenge Ginger Snap. And I want to challenge you guys. I want to challenge Social Couple Premier to do this challenge. In the description box below is going to be a link to the Beloved video when she's talking about the challenge. You don't have to get this book. You can read the Bible. You can read anything you want. But I'm going to put her link in the description box so you can hear her say exactly what you need to do, what she wants you to do for the challenge, how she wants you to challenge yourself. And if you guys don't want to do the challenge, no hard feelings. None whatsoever. I love the feedback that y'all always give me. Both Ginger Snap and Alex and Melissa, like, I love the feedback that y'all always give me. Y'all always talking very positive. Y'all have never said anything negative. And it's just y'all positive people. And I like to have positive people in my circle. Once I think that something is shady or something not going right, I kind of lay back altogether. I love sweet potato fries. Y'all like sweet potato fries? Yeah, we're good. But they have never given me that. They seem very genuine with everything that they say and everything that they do. They seem very genuine. And that's what I like about B. She seemed very, very genuine. Like, she's not just talking. Like, she's trying to help other people. And it's not just with YouTube. She's trying to help people on their journey in life. Like, she's not wishing ill will on anyone. She's just, I like people like that. Now me, I'm going to support any and everybody. I don't care what you do me, what you may say. It will have to be something very, very bad for me to not support you. Even if you don't support me. I know a lot of people that don't support me, but expect 110% support from me. And I'm trying to give my energy to actually getting better with the Bible, because I'm one of them people, I like the Bible, but I'm really starting to like books like this that tell a story and then go into the Bible. Like, sometimes passages in the Bible, for me, not talking for anybody else, but for me, sometimes some passages in the Bible, I can read it 5 times and I still be like, what? But then if I get a story and then I get that passage, then I'm good. When you're in church, what the pastor do? The pastor tell a story. He's gonna read the scripture, but he's gonna tell a story. That's the type of learning and teaching that I understand. I can sit there and read a Bible from beginning to end, and I can memorize some of the parts of it. That don't mean I understand it. I like it to where if you give me something and I can read that something and then go to whatever chapter it is, and then I can read that chapter and it'll relate to it. It'll bring everything together for me. Oops. I know some people can just read the Bible and they just, especially the Old Testament. I remember when I was little. I can't remember the song though, but we had to learn the different like Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, but they had a song, and I can't remember what the name of it was, but that's how we learned it. Matter of fact, I think that was a part of there's a certain school we had to go to. Well, I call it school. Before you get baptized. I'm sorry, the air conditioning came on. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. That feel good. But I'm really loving this book. And I done picked up another book today, and I was reading some of it. And I'm going to read, like I said, I'm going to read chapter 2 again tonight. Just like I did chapter 1. I read chapter 1 in that book. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to read it again tonight. But I really want to thank you, B, for creating that challenge. And I want you guys, her link is going to be in the description box below for the Amazon store, so where you can order the book and you can get it Prime, and you get a little discount. The link for the Mukbang Monday merch is also going to be in the description box below. This is my mug. They have all kind of stuff, you guys. They have shirts, phone cases, hats. Y'all was not hungry. I cooked, I ate, and I was like, oh man, how in the world am I going to record this video for 5 o'clock? Because I'm recording late today. Because I had a lot of running to do. So, it's going to be like my video for yesterday. Nisha forgot to upload it yesterday. So now I'm going to have 2 videos dropping today. Because she forgot to upload my Sunday video. I want to thank you to all of the new subscribers. I need to know, for the last contest that I did. Okay, Alex and Melissa, I need one of y'all. Please email me at allabouttheromes@gmail.com. For y'all won y'all prize. I need y'all to email me so I can make y'all item. I'll make y'all a custom made mug, whatever y'all want on it, or a custom made mouse pad, whatever y'all want on it, because y'all won. And I'm gonna be doing another giveaway. Probably next week I'm gonna do another giveaway, but I'm gonna be doing another giveaway coming up soon, you guys. I need to get a little better. Hopefully tomorrow I'm better with my chapters, but I'm not too good on talking about books and different things like that. I'm not good on that. I'm better with talking about life. But I'm really enjoying this. I'm learning from it. And I'm enjoying it. I really am. But I'm going to go ahead and put up a couple of pictures so you guys can pause and y'all can look at the pictures if y'all like. I'll put some in the beginning and I'll put some at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I'll finish eating my... Oh, and this challenge is pretty good. For some reason, one half was dry and one half wasn't. This half not dry. But you guys have a great day. Blessings to you all. And oh, look, I'm gonna eat this in a minute. Blessings to you all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with chapter 3. I'm sorry if I'm boring y'all, but I'm really enjoying the book. So I'm really thankful that she did this challenge. All right, you guys. Blessings.